Join Stella Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparation. Register today for Stellar Talent Search exam. Admissions are open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2021.
We are starting Covaxin vaccination in Redkar Hospital-Dhargal, Goa. In the last year, we innovated this vaccine. We take part in the clinical trials, and a lot of Goans gave their good participation in clinical trial, and now I succeed to launch this Covaxin for the emergency use. So there is a less production in India of these vaccines. So majority of states are not covered. So even there is less coverage of vaccination in Goa. So we are taking this initiative to start 2 or 3 sites in the Goa, where initially we are starting this Redkar Hospital. Everybody who want to take part, they should book their vaccinations or book their appointment by Covaxin, and then they can come at a given time. Then in the next week we are also planning to start in Panjim Center as well as in one Arambol Center. We will apply to the Head of Health Services for a COVID vaccine center code, CVC code, and then we will supply in this other 2 centers also.